Viewers, as we know, the integration basically is the antiderivative. The basic formula of integration is integration of x power n dx is equal add 1 in the power and divide by the same power, that is x power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus constant of integration. This is indefinite integral or integration. Now we will discuss one more formula which is related to the integration of the expression. For example, if we have integration of ax plus b whole power n dx, in this case we can apply the integration, or we can add 1 in the power only when we have the derivative of ax plus b. So if you check the derivative of ax plus b, that is exactly a. Means if you check separately the derivative of ax plus b, that gives me a d over dx plus constant of derivative always 0. So we have a into 1, that means a. So we can apply, we must have the a here. So that means we will divide by a and multiply by a as well. So that we must have the derivative of this function, which is a. Now we can apply the formula. And that formula says what? 1 over a ax plus b, add 1 in the power and same thing divide n plus 1 plus constant of integration. Or we can say that 1 over a bracket open n plus 1 and ax plus b n plus 1 plus constant of integration. So integration of the expression, we basically the form is ax plus b whole power n. And let's see how to apply this concept in the question. Here in case first, we will see the derivative of 2x minus 7 is 2. So we must have 2, 1 over 2 integration 2x minus 7 whole power 8. So the derivative of this inside function is 2. So as I divide by 2 and multiply by 2, and now we have dx. After this, we can apply the integration concept, which is 2x minus 7 whole power 8 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 plus constant of integration. This is so next step 1 over 2, 2x minus 7 whole power 9 over 9 plus constant of integration, or we can say that 2x minus 7 whole power 9 over 9 multiplied by 2, 18 plus constant of integration. So if we check the one more questions, exactly same concept, but the inside function is 3x plus 1. So in this situation, the derivative of 3x plus 1 is 3. So it means we need to bring 3 so that we can apply the integration concept of the form ax plus b whole power n. So I'm going to multiply divide by 3 as well as multiply by 3. So 3x plus 1 whole power 5 and multiply 3 dx. So now we can apply integration on the following question or following function. 3x plus 1, add 1 in the power and same thing we divide 5 plus 1 plus constant of integration. So we have 1 over 3, 3x plus 1 over 6 plus constant of integration. So it is 3x plus 1 whole power 6 and 6 multiplied by 3 18 plus constant of integration. We try one more. In this case, we have 2 already there, but we will still see what is the derivative of 5x minus 2. So it is 5. Still, we need to bring 5 because 2 will not help us. So I would say that divide by 5 and multiply by 5. Okay, so it is 2 over 5 integration 5x minus 2 whole power 8 and multiply 5 as well, dx. So we have 2 over 5. Apply the integration concept. So 5x minus 2, 8 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 plus constant of integration. So it is 2 bracket open 5x minus 2 power 9 over 5 multiply 9, which is equal to 5x minus 2 whole power 9 over 9 5s are 45. So plus constant of integration. I hope so it is clear. So we will apply a few different questions, the same idea of integration of expression. So see how to solve such type of questions. For example, here we have, I remember the value of square root is 1 over 2. If we have cube root, then we can suppose to say that 1 over 3. If we have fourth root, it is equal to 1 over 4. So here we have square root. That means 1 over 2. So once you bring it up, it would be 3x minus 2 whole power minus 1 by 2 dx. Again, see the function 3x minus 2 has the derivative. If we check the derivative of 3x minus 2, that gives me 3 into 1 minus 0, which is equal 3. So we must have the derivative 3. 2 will not help us. So straight away we have to divide by 3 and multiply 3 as well, so that we can apply the integration on this function 3 dx. And now after this we can say that it is 3x minus 2 power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 and plus constant of integration. So next 2 over 3 3x minus 2 whole power 1 by 2 1 by 2 and plus constant of integration. So lastly it is 4 bracket open 3x minus 2 power 1 by 2 over 3 plus constant of integration. So we simplify this question. We move on next, which is 2 over 2x plus 1 whole cube. So this is basically what? In this case, we can apply 3 on 2, and once you apply 3 on 2, it is 2 cube. That means 8. 2 cube means 2 multiplied by 3 times. So we have integration 8 over 2x plus 1 whole cube dx. So next step, we can say that we have 8 bracket open 2x plus 1 whole power minus 3 dx. Remember that the derivative of 2x plus 1 is 2. Okay, so we need to bring 2 so that we can apply the integration concept, and we already have 8, so it means we can make or bring 2 easily here, because 8 is equal 2 multiplied by 4, which is equal 8. So I would say that 4 and bracket open 2x plus 1 power minus 3 2. Remember that 4 multiplied by 2 gives us 8, and this 2 we need to apply the integration for integration of the form ax plus b whole power n in such conditions. So now our derivative is already there, which you can see that 2 we can add in the power and divide by the same power. Okay, so 4 2x plus 1 power minus 3 plus 1 minus 3 plus 1 plus constant of integration. So it gives me 2x plus 1 whole power minus 2 over minus 2 plus constant of integration, which is equal 2 can cancel 4. So we have minus 2 bracket open 2x plus 1 whole power minus 2 plus c, or we can say that minus 2 over 2x plus 1 whole power 2 plus constant of integration. I hope so it is clear. Thank you.